Hey everyone, the Hobbyist Vlogs here. I have a bad news about my 2024 Nissan Navara Pro 4X. And as you all know, I took really good care uh, on this car. Um, I always check underneath the car after long ride or trip. And here's what I found out. Not sure if you can see it, but my transfer case oil seal is leaking. Okay, and it is coming from the output shaft to the front differential right there. Okay, so probably this is a recall when it comes to the seal of the transfer case. So I tried to dry it out and tested it for 30 kilometers and just found out that there's a very noticeable leak on the transfer case right here. Okay, so it is wet again. So yeah, I have to call out Nissan Amos regarding this matter. I'll keep you posted.